We greatly appreciate the keen interest of the leadership of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in enhancing investments in Pakistan. This visit provided the Saudi delegation with the first-hand experience of the Special Investment Facilitation Council, which serves as a one-window platform for the fast-track decision-making and promoting and facilitating foreign direct investments in Pakistan. Using the SIFC platform, Pakistan is committed to strengthening investment processes, updating regulations, and enhancing infrastructure. This commitment aims to foster a flourishing economic environment and establishing Pakistan as a hub for investment and innovation, ready for significant investment inflows in Pakistan from Kingdom and other friendly countries. We are optimistic that the detailed briefings presented to the high-powered Saudi delegation at SIFC today about the extensive investment opportunities in our agriculture, IT, mining, energy, and other sectors have successfully highlighted viable and attractive investment opportunities and options, effectively capturing their interest under the leadership of His Highness, my dear brother, Foreign Minister of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Pakistan is committed to providing Saudi investors full support, relevant safeguards, and conducive environment for investment. Honorable Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has directed SIFC and relevant ministries to move forward on investment projects in a diligent and time-bound manner on fast track. We look forward to continued government-to-government and business-to-business engagements as we take steady strides on the journey we have started today in the leadership of His Highness, the Foreign Minister of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and his delegation. Let me reiterate my heartfelt gratitude to His Highness and my dear brother, Foreign Minister, and his team for a very short, but I believe a very productive visit to Pakistan. I thank you all.